Hi, back with End Team again, following the very long list that I was given. Second album, Firework and Not Taken, and then the Korean version of Firework. Thank goodness. Is that a girl? I'm seeing a girl. I saw a girl. Is that a girl? Question: Is that the same girl from? Is that the same girl from Drunk Dazed? This one? In this one? Like in their first song? My precious love. Bro, the first time I heard My Precious Love, I wasn't reading because I was focused on the girl. That's a Firework. I'm not sure what to focus on. Oh, I love this part of the song. Love that. About this choreo? Okay, after further examination, I feel like it's not her. But I might still be wrong. Because I genuinely don't know what she looks like, but I feel like she doesn't look like her. Oh, freckles! Yo, this is the first time I'm seeing freckles on... Oh! Sorry, now I'm focused on the freckles. I go back and forth on focus on the video and then the song. The lyrics... But it just sounds like a love song. Are you all dating her? This is very much giving that and Hype and storyline thingy. Because even within Hype it's one girl and it kind of feels like they're all dating her. Is this what's happening here? Or they could just be friends. But then again, this is a love song, so like what do you expect me to think? It's a love song. It sounds like a love song. To firework, no going back. Let me dance, running so fast. Read the basics. Hybrid? Well. What's happening? Did she betray them? Why is she holding a gun and then one of them got shot at the back with a firework, obviously. It wasn't a bullet, probably, I think. But like, what's happening? Because it kind of looked like he was heartbroken and then all of a sudden she's holding a gun. Did y'all fight or did she betray you? I don't understand any of this. For the one who does understand, please explain.
sola inside the firework.
Yo. Oh, this is not over. She's still here. First, a howling. Guitar this side. That's still guitar, right? I love instruments. I did not see who that is, but I still don't know the members anyway, so. How did the what moon turn into the full moon? What's happening? Somebody please explain. I love the song though. The song sounded great. I could not give it my full focus though, as you could see. But love the song. I like the bridge from what I remember. And the pause part. I'll hear it more in Korean. I feel like there's a possibility that I actually will love the Korean version. Just from the sound of the song, I think Korean will fit. We'll see though. But the song is good. Love it. I was just kind of also focused on the video, so I couldn't really give the song my full attention. On to the next song, Road Not Taken music video.
Where are you at now?
Oh.
We're crossing on the way.
Oh, this sounds interesting.
No one knows how long it'll take.
I was about to say, out of all the members, I feel like maybe I caught Harua's face, but I'm not sure. But the face that I know for a fact that I caught, because I feel like it's kind of unique to me, Maki. I think it's Maki. The Magne.
Where are you at now?
Plus, he posts a lot on TikTok.
We're crossing on the way. No one knows how long.
Him.
Are we lost or found? What is out there? Find you.
They all look so different, but I still don't know their faces. Their names, I mean.
Do you feel the same?
No, I don't. I mean, yes, I do.
Here we going down, are we lost or found?
Okay, that sounds interesting.
Here we going down, so the demo don't stop.
Oh.
Here we going round, are we lost or found? Here we
Him.
going down.
That's Harua, right? That has to be Harua. Harua is just so cute, y'all. I feel like it has to be him. It has to be him. Sorry. Okay, wait. The first five. I should not have gone back that much. Wait, let me just skip the whole intro thingy. The whole five. I love that part.
Here we going down, are we lost or found? Here we going down, so the demo don't stop.
The creepy law.
Here we
It's
going
not really creepy.
are we lost or found? Here we going down, 지가 투이된 다. Here we
stop reading
going
the lyrics.
are we lost or found?
I'm sorry. Did y'all just howl? I feel like I heard howl.
Here we going down, 지가 투이된 다. Here we going round, are we lost or found?
There's an hour. Voice. Like a voice. Darn, that man's face card. Wait. I'm just kind of processing. That things happened and I was like, but I didn't really react out loud. I don't know why I didn't. I was just kind of stuck. But like, how do I kind of woke me up a little bit? Because like, bro's face card, bro. I started the song.
Down, are we lost or found? Here we going down, down, so the demo don't stop. Here we going round, round, oh we lost our found. Here we going down, down, 近づいていた Here we going round, round, oh we lost our found. Even hesitate to say, no time to be afraid.
The choreo is just... I wanted to say that this is not where I saw the song going, like this part, but I love the choreo. Him! He looks pretty with that hairstyle. I like his voice. That! The way the editing, the way he... I love that. Love it so much. That move, the whole... Okay. You are pretty as hell. Okay, what? Okay. I like it. I'm having a hard... I'm having a hard time processing the song properly because of the choreo though. The choreo is so fast. It's just all over. It's good. What I'm trying to say. I love the choreo. He looks good. He looks good. They all look good actually. I wanted to say they all look good. I love the outfits.
Yeah, we going down, down, oh we lost our fun.
Oh!
Yeah, we going down, down, 近づいていた Yeah, we going round, round, oh we
That was
lost our
cheesy.
fun.
I love the owl. I love the owl. Okay. They look pretty. Just... Sir. Is it the attitude? Probably. They just look attractive. Is he in the dance practice the long hair? I said it was cute when he was smiling. Is it him? I feel like it's him. I forgot his name. I'm sorry. I will take time. I'm sorry. Is it him? He looks pretty. Choreo though. This choreo? I feel sorry for whoever had to drag him like that because the way he's running. Why are they making you work like that? But it looks cool. I want to see it again. You look good. The hair, all of them. Bro, the way he's running. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong person. I should be looking at Harua, but like the way he's running. Okay, look at Harua. Okay, performer. Okay.
Yeah, we going down, down, oh we lost our found. Yeah, we going down, down, 近づいていた Yeah, we going round, round, oh we lost our found. Yeah, we going down, down, oh we lost our found. Yeah, we keep it going up till the freedom's gone. Yeah, we going round.
Sir, why does Harua always feel like the main character for me? I feel like they're making him the main character. Please tell me I'm not crazy. You with the short hair. I got my eyes on you. Your smile. The cheeky smile. Just... This choreo is everything. This choreo is everything. This choreo is everything. This choreo is everything. The song is good, but the choreo makes the song. Honestly, for me, the choreo shines more than the song for me. This choreo is everything. The song is good as well, honestly. I think is the chorus. Na 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 lost and found. Na 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 lost and found. I love that part. If it's the chorus, I love the chorus. I love the song. The song is good. It's just the choreo. The choreo is over. It's shining. It's shining, and I love their attitude. Their attitude while dancing, while performing. They're performers. They are such good performers. What I'm trying to say, like seriously, their energy, not energy as in body energy, but it's like aura. The aura I was feeling in the entire video from each and every one of them. Love it. Okay, so now the Korean version of Firework. Right. I can smell the Korean. I don't know what that means either. Oh goodness. Bruh, I just had to like process the choreography for not taking, not taking something. Now I have to process this one now because it's also kind of busy. It's busy. Oh, night. I don't know why I'm hearing My Precious Love, y'all. I don't know. So busy. Face. I knew it. I could smell it. I could smell it from the moment I heard the other song, that if I heard the Korean version, I would most likely like the Korean version better. I could smell it. I feel like I should like the original better, but like, nah. I'm gonna say My Precious Love. The Korean looks good though. It's just stressing me out a little bit because of how busy it is. But they come down. See, 내 심장에, they're just, sorry. Their legs. Okay, who's that? Voice. Pretty voice. Pretty. Pretty eyes. No, but like for real, are y'all okay singing and dancing like this? Like, are y'all okay? I feel like they overwork y'all. Are y'all okay? Why are they doing that to y'all? Cause the whole in the choreo, no, because I feel like so much of this choreo requires focus and just body control. It just requires a lot of body control. That's what it looks like to me. And I'm just trying to imagine the multitasking of focusing on every muscle in your body, dancing like this, and then you have to sing. Okay. Because you're not just jumping. add drama into their moves. They're not just dancing, y'all. They're literally performing. They're adding drama on top of that. Let's say I was here. Bro, this choreo. Oh.
Firework, my heart, no going back.
Fast. Boys, tonight. The drama. And it's fast as well. Like it's so fast. Bang bang.
Firework.
Y'all, the choreo is good. The choreo is good. They're great performers. They're really good performers. Not sure which version I like better. I feel like I have to listen to them back to back again. Here's the thing with the Japanese version of the song, I don't have standalone moments in the song that I like sound wise. Like for me, it's pretty standard. Like I love it pretty evenly throughout the whole song. But like with the Korean version, there are certain parts in the language in the song that I hear where I'm like, oh, I love that part. I love the way it sounds there. I love the way with the Japanese version, I don't have that. That's probably why I was saying that I probably like the Korean version more. Okay, so after listening to the Japanese version again, I realized that I love both versions, and I probably will be able to listen to both versions. This is one of those rare times where I listen to two different versions of the same song. That is all. Thank you all for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.